How to dress. Are you trying to dress for success? Are you trying to meet your dream person? Are you trying to get a job? Well, guess what? This is how I dress. Business on top, pajamas on bottom, because I'm my own boss. And you can be too. Just figure out what you're passionate about. Check out this link. We teach you how to find your passion in that video. So how do you dress, right? You wanna dress comfortably? You wanna dress business casual? You wanna dress in a 3-piece suit? How do you wanna dress? How do you wanna look? You should dress for the job you want, not the job you have. Because if you dress for the job you want, you'll carry yourself different. Do you ever see homeless people walking down the street? They're usually struggled and disheveled. And then you see someone in a nice 3-piece suit walking all confidently. You think it's just their external factors why they're like that? No, it's their clothes. Their clothes make up their personality, or at least they help. So how do you want to dress? You dress smart, you dress nice, and have some pajamas if you want to be comfortable. Because I like being comfortable and I like sailboats. So dress for the job you want, not the job you have. Why dressing is so important, we don't live in a nudist colony, so it's currently frowned upon to be naked. So you should be wearing clothes wherever you go, unless you're in an area that supports that belief system. And why should you always dress nice when you can? Because you feel more confident, right? It's all about the confidence. Whatever you're trying to achieve in life, you clicked on this video because you think you need to change your clothing to have a different perspective on life. And you can absolutely have a different perspective just by changing what you wear, because it makes you feel different. Remember, because your thoughts, your beliefs, and your actions create the reality around you. So if you dress differently, you'll feel differently, you'll have different thoughts, you'll have different belief systems, and you'll take different actions. And when you look in the mirror and you say, wow, look at that guy, you'll be like, wow, I'm much more confident now. Back when I was in San Francisco, I was really trying to get a sales job. So I thought, I'm gonna stand out. So I wore a nice 3-piece suit and it popped out and everybody was like, whoa, look at that guy. And then it was funny, later on I was at a party and I was just talking to someone and she's like, hey, weren't you that guy in the 3-piece suit? And I was like, yep, I was. She's like, we got a kick out of that. We really enjoyed that. So, just dress for the job you want, not the job you have, and you can have anything you want in life. So, dress nicely. If you're broke, you can go to a thrift shop for like 20 bucks and get a nice suit. It's not that difficult. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Like this video if you like videos like this. It's a little bit goofy, a little bit silly, but we try to make you enjoy yourself.